Hello, hello, Leo Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for June 16 hanggang June 22. So Leo, to nakagawian. Kung naman lang yung makaresonate ka and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Leos yun. Kaya enjoy our reading for today. Relax, sit back, and just hear me say yung mga impormasyon para sa buhay mo this week, and gamitin mo yung intuition mo para makuha mo yung akmang-akmang message na alam mong para sa'yo, nabigay sa'yo ng Young Spirit Guides for your reading for today. So Leo, meron tayong additional bonus question pagkatapos ng ating reading. So stay tuned at the end kasi meron tayong one question bonus para sa'yo. If you have a question, anything, you can ask me later at sasagutin natin yan with 2 tarot cards and 2 Whisper Oracle card later. Okay? So, Leo, thank you again for your donations. Saka po sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness and support po sa channel natin every time na meron po tayong reading for Leo. So, Leo, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayon June 16 to 22? Inhale. And exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Death card, a change. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the 6 of Pentacles. In the area of what you need, you have the 7 of Swords. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the King of Swords. In the area of your near future, meron kang 7 of Pentacles. Dalawang 7. Luck is here for you, Leo. Congratulations. In the area of your challenge, you have the Strength card. In the area of your fortune, meron kang Judgment card. Wow! Enlightenment, pagising, truth will come na kailangan mo aksyonan. Pag-usapan natin in detail mode lahat yan. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang the World card. Beautiful. At ang outcome mo this week, Leo, ano kaya ito? Pag-usapan natin sabay-sabay mamaya. Bubuksan natin yan at the right time. But first, bago natin buksan, o bago natin basahin bawat card in detail mode, alamin muna natin kung ano yung lingering energy mo in your background, something that you will use for the week para ma-accomplish mo lahat ng dadaanan mong cards for your life ngayong linggong ito. Okay, so in the background, you have 8 of Pentacles. Yes, work. You have to work on something daw this week. This is like you putting all of your effort and time and talagang energy para sa isang bagay ngayong linggong ito. Probably para sa sarili mo, baka meron kang mga dapat baguhin, meron kang dapat ayusin, baka mamaya yung car mo pala, kailangan ng ipagawa, kailangan ng palinisan. So may mga bagay ka daw kailangan asikasuhin this time. Hindi mo na daw kailangan pang ipagpaliban, o baka meron ka na ini-ignore na bagay sa sarili mo o sa buhay mo na parang this time around, talagang kinakatok ka na ng spirit guides mo na, uy, ayusin na yan with the 8 of Pentacles here. Meron ka din daw kailangang ma-figure out sa sarili mo, Leo, kaya siguro talaga meron ditong awakening. Meron ka daw kailangang ma-realize o may kailangan kang pagtuunan ng pansin because baka yun daw ang makakatulong sa'yo para mapolish mo pa yung ginagawa mo because probably you're doing something na very traditional o kaya meron kang ginagawa na parang yun ang rason kung bakit hindi umaandar o hindi umaabante, hindi nagpo-progress. So parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, you have to think and parang brainstorm ka daw this time kung ano yung dapat mong ma-improve sa iyong ginagawa. Baka halimbawa, you are trying na makapagbenta ng ganitong product pero mali pala yung paraan mo ng pagbebenta para makahikayat ka. So parang kailangan mo daw mag-strategize and find new ways. Parang kailangan mo daw linangin ang iyong skills, ang iyong ability to come up on a better answer, to come up on a better solution, at para maabot mo na this time yung full potential mo, para maabot mo na yung goal mo this time. There's something needs to develop daw sa yung skills mo, sa ginagawa mo. Halimbawa, like I've said, kung meron kang tinatrabaho at feeling mo, bakit ganito, bakit walang nangyayari, bakit hindi umaandar, ginagawa ko naman ang lahat. Probably yes, ginagawa mo ang lahat, nakatutok ka, nakatuon ka dyan, hardworking ka everyday, you continue to show up for that, pero baka daw kasi yung paraan mo on how you do it, baka yun ang may aberya o yun ang may problema, kaya hindi pa rin siya umaandar. So make sure i-polish mo daw ang skills mo. May area dyan na kailangan pa ng fine-tuning, may dapat kang i-level up. Halimbawa, kung ito ang dapat dagdagan, ito ang dapat bawasan, ito ang dapat pagtuunan na masyado ng pansin, ito ang kailangan alisin. So you have to figure that out this week, Leo, okay? So it's a very, very hard-working week para sa'yo, Leo, okay? So pag-usapan natin ng yung spread, ilan ang yung major arcana, mga cards na malaki ang apekto sa'yo this week with their powerful, powerful energy. You have the Death card, 1, Judgment 2, the World 3, and the Strength card 4. 4 major arcana na malaki ang epekto sa life mo this week. So, with the Death card, Judgment, World, and Strength, ngayon talaga merong pagbabago. Yan nakikita ko dito, initially, sa apat ng card na to. Something needs to change. You need to close something off. You need to be awakened, magising sa isang bagay, at kailangan to ng katatagan in your part. Okay? So, syempre, may mga bagay ka marirealize this week. So, pag na-realize mo, kailangan magkaroon ka ng strength to face it. Halimbawa, sa relasyon, meron ka na-realize, meron ka na-figure out, ikaw pala ang may pagkukulang, ikaw pala ang may nawawalan ka na ng atensyon, o halimbawa siya, partner mo, nawawalan na rin siya ng time for you. So, you have to work that out. And yung working that out, kailangan talaga i-accept yung mga dapat baguhin. Kailangan mag-transform into a better you, to something new. And you have to close a chapter, close mo na yung mga past na parang hindi na nakakatulong this time. And magising ka daw talaga sa mga dapat magising. Hindi pwedeng nalaman mo na yung truth pero hindi mo aksyonan, and then hindi mo siya hinaharap. Strength is all about that courage. Courage, katapangan to face the truth, to face the music, to know what needs to be done para maging maayos ang lahat. So now, talagang marami kang dapat ayusin this week, Leo. Okay? Yan ang paunang mensahe sa'yo ng iyong spirit guides from your major arcanas. So pag-usapan na natin ang iyong full spread in detail mode kada card at the center. This is in your core, Leo, okay? Sa core mo to, Death card. Death card is all about change. It's all about transformation. May mga bagay na hindi gumagana, may mga pananaw siguro, o kaya action mo, o kaya tao sa paligid na parang, okay, this needs to change. I need to parang overhaul, o kaya parang renovation, either sa buhay mo, sa bahay mo, sa pamilya mo, o sa workplace mo. Something needs to be done. At yung kailangan talaga ng pagbabago ay ngayon na. Kaya kailangan mo to i-work out. You need to find out where is the area na kailangan mong baguhin, kailangan mong ayusin, kailangan mong tanggalin, because not everything is working together. Ano? Whether, baka ikaw din sa pananaw mo, baka if you're working with a group, baka mali naman yung way mo to communicate with them, kaya siguro meron kayong misunderstanding. Baka ngayon, kailangan mong isipin the way how you talk, the way you convey your message, para hindi ka na misinterpret. Probably, meron din sa inyo, baka nahihirapan to work with other people. So, kailangan mo i-cultivate yung camaraderie effort mo. So, something needs to change in your life this time, and you don't need to ignore this. Hindi mo to kailangan i-let go, hindi mo to kailangan ipasa walang bahala. You have to face this. Okay, Leo? Something needs to change. I don't know, maybe because dito nakasalalay yung advancement, dito nakasalalay yung pagpulido ng mga bagay-bagay. Malalaman mo yung, Leo, bakit ba hindi umaandar yun? Bakit ba hindi nagiging maayos ang lahat? Bakit ba sa tuwing nag-uusap kami, imbis na ma-solve, walang nasa-solve? Bakit sa trabaho, go overtime na kami halos, pero bakit hindi pa rin matapos yung task? Bakit itong ginagawa ko wala pa rin bunga? So, there's something needs to change there, and you have to figure that out. Kung ano yung dapat tanggalin, kung anong dapat ma-retain, kung anong dapat i-magnify, kung anong dapat ihiwalay, at kung anong dapat yung totally baguhin na in order for you to achieve yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve this time. Your excellence, Leo, because 8 of Pentacles is also about your excellence. Kagalingan mo, your expertise. Kailangan mo magbago daw para patuloy na mapolish yung skills mo, okay? The Death card's being clarified by the Empress card. Yes, it's all about you. Empress card's all about yourself, your improvement, self-love, self-care, self-ability. Parang kailangan mo daw pahalagahan din ang sarili mo this time. Meron kang tinutumbok ka, meron kang ginagawa eh. Si Empress card sa card of birth, card of creation. So meron kang ngayong binubuo, meron kang iniluluwal, meron kang pinapanganak na something big for you or for your life or for your family. Mabubuo lang daw yan once you change something in you, sa sarili mo mismo. May mga habits ka siguro, o may mga ambisyo ka, o may mga ginagawa ka na hindi nakakatulong sa pagbuo ng mga bagay na binubuo mo this time. Kaya siguro hindi pa maka-alpas o hindi mo ma-achieve yung mga bagay na kailangan mo ma-achieve na inaasahan mo this time, because may kailangan talagang ayusin, o kailangan ma-retrofit, o kailangan ma-renovate, something like that, in order for you na ma-achieve na yung bagay na gusto mong ipanganak this time. I'm seeing here also for other Leos, parang kailangan daw unahin mo muna ang sarili mo. You've been working so hard. napaka-hardworking mo, you're a workaholic. So parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, kailangan daw may magbago sa dynamic mo. Parang kung ito ang trabaho, pero pag nasa bahay ka, you need to tend for yourself. Baka may mga bagay ka nakakaligtaan for yourself, your health maybe, your peace of mind, your mental health, yung kalusugan mo, o kaya yung time mo with your family. So ngayon parang bigyan mo rin daw ng karampatang oras yung sarili mo at saka yung family time. Yan, family time para balanse ang lahat. Something is needing for a change in your life, okay? In the area of what you want, you have the Six of Pentacles. You want something to come back. Meron kang nilaan sigurong pera before and you feel like kailan ba magbabayad itong taong ito. Tagal-tagal ko ng pinautang, puro drama. I'm working so hard para magkaroon ng pera ko, pero pag pinapautang mo, hindi bumabalik. So parang ngayon, you just want your money back. You want the love back. Kung ito man ay pag-ibig o kaya ay trabaho, negosyo, any endeavor, you want something in return. Because for a very long time, I'm hearing naging kampante ka din o kaya hinahayaan mo lang na ibigay mo lahat pero wala kang inaasahan pabalik. That's very noble. That's very kind of you. That's very sweet of you. Pero this time around nakita ko na you're trying to figure out. Medyo nagising ka na sa katotohanan talaga. Na, uy, I'm giving it my all. Wala ba akong karapatan na makuha din siya pabalik? Am I wasting my time for something or someone na wala naman bumabalik sa akin? I'm giving my all. You're giving your love. Bakit walang love pabalik? You're giving your effort, your time, your expertise sa trabahong ito, pero bakit yung sweldo pabalik? Hindi man lang ganun kalaki. O kaya your boss is not recognizing you. Your coworkers are not giving you the same respect na binibigay mo sa kanila. So parang you want the same thing na binibigay mo. Ito yung time for you to really think hard, Leo, kung ano yung karapat-dapat lang ibigay, kanino, saan, yung 100% mo ba, dapat ba 100%? O 50% lang ang dapat mo ilaan sa taong ito o sa bagay na ito? Para hindi ka rin maupos, para hindi mo rin ma-feel na parang unfair, okay? You need to really figure this out. Sino, ano ang dapat lang paglaanan ng valuable time, money, effort, and love mo, okay? The Six of Pentacles being clarified by the Nine of Cups. Yes, wow, Nine of Cups, alam mo na, Leo, kung lagi po kayo nanonood dito, Nine of Cups, kapag lumabas siya, this is a wish fulfillment card, so you can now make a wish. Close your eyes, meditate. Kung kailangan mahaba yan, you can pause the video if you must, para lang masabi mo yung wish na yan, because that wish ay naririnig ng yung spirit guides, ng yung angel guides, the frequency and energy of that, para mas mapabilis, mapaakyat sa universe kay God ang mga hiling na yan so that it will come true. So Nine of Cups here is clarifying the Six of Pentacles. Yes, hindi ka na masaya talaga. You feel like everything is unfair. Parang hindi na ako nagkakasya o hindi na ako nag-settle pa sa gantong sitwasyon, sa gantong setup. I need to be fulfilled too. Hindi lang puro ikayo, hindi lang puro ikaw nagfo-fulfill, dapat ako din. I'm giving so much. Dapat bumabalik din sa akin yung mga gusto ko. Ngayon, hindi ka na masaya, hindi ka na kontento sa gantong setup, and you're now rethinking the system. You're rethinking kung paano mo binibigay at kung paano yung nagiging give and take sa relasyon na ito o sa trabaho na ito o sa endeavor na to. Now, you want something na equal, okay? In the area of what you need, you have the Seven of Swords. You need to keep things close to you, Leo. Itong in the area of what you need. May mga bagay na parang ngayon, you need to really take care of your own. Parang ikaw muna, be independent ka muna this time. If you're trying to accomplish something, parang ikaw daw ang dapat umaksyon, strategize, do it on your own. Hindi mo daw kailangan umasa sa iba because others may disappoint you, others may lie to you, others may cheat on you. So make sure na kung meron kang balak gawin, meron kang balak simulan, ikaw ang aayos, ikaw ang mag-fix, naka hands-on ka dyan, your hands and feet are in the mud, doing the hard work to make sure na kung ano man tong bagay na tatrabahuhin mo ay ma-accomplish mo faithfully and truthfully in your hands, okay? So, because I'm feeling like you had some trust issues in the past. May mga tao na siguro sa paligid mo na nag-disappoint sa'yo, made you feel alone or made you feel down, na inaasahan mo pero hindi ka tinulungan in the past. So ngayon parang nakabangon ka on your own and naging tatak sa isip mo yun eh. Parang tumatak sa isip mo na okay, hindi na ako aasa sa iba. At ngayon, talaga namang lahat ng gagawin mo this time ay ikaw yung punong abala. Ikaw yung nag-aayos, ikaw ang nag-aasikaso, and ito'y para sa development eh. Development of your future. So now, natutunan mo din na you don't need to tell other people yung mga bagay na private for you. May mga bagay ka daw na parang dapat sarilinin mo na lang, wag mong i-share sa iba, wag mong ikwento sa iba because other may spoil the goal or may spoil the adventure with their negative energy. Kaya kailangan kung ano yung iyo-iyo, wag mo muna munang i-share sa iba. Once na maging successful na yan, once na makuha mo na yung outcome dun, saka mo lang i-share because wala na sila magagawa on those things kasi tapos na nagawa mo na. So, make things on your own, be private this time. And also with your financial information, with your material wealth, with your property, territory, kailangan hindi lahat ng tao nakakapasok dyan. Make things private in your life, okay? The Seven of Swords being clarified by the Devil card, yes, like I've said, may mga tao talaga sa paligid na super nega, affecting their energy is affecting you at some way. Whether pinipigilan ka nila to achieve your goal o marami silang sinasabi sa'yo to make you feel down, pahinain ng sistema mo para hindi mo ma-achieve yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Probably this is a toxic lover, toxic boss, toxic friend, o ikaw mismo paniniwala mo ito na parang this time around kailangan mo nang baguhin, kailangan mo nang do it on your own, away from these people, away from this situation para ma-achieve yan. Because I'm hearing there are a lot of things in your life na spoil o natatenga o nawawalan ng outcome because other people are parang nagkakaroon sila ng apekto sa mga ginagawa mo. Ngayon, kailangan mo talagang lagay ng bakod. Have a discernment against these people. Okay? Kilalanin mo yung mga taong dapat lang nakakaalam ng mga bagay sa buhay mo para hindi sila maka-apekto sa mga ginagawa mo. Okay? Because lying, cheating, and stealing people are around you, Leo. Okay? So make sure na what's yours is yours and let other people go. Okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy of the King of Swords, yes, ngayon itong pagbabagong to, ito ang naka-apekto. King of Swords. Medyo may katalinuhan ka na this time, okay? Now you're now understanding life basically sa buhay mo na parang okay, ito mga taong ito mga bagay na to, itong endeavor na to, hindi ko na to dapat bigyan pa ng halaga. Hindi siya nagma-matter sa life mo. Kaya wag mo nang bigyan ng effort, time. Nasasayang kasi ang panahon mo, nasasayang ang time mo, yung expertise mo, yung smartness na nasayang because nilalaan mo sa ibang bagay na hindi mahalaga. At ngayon, naunawaan mo na yan, nagkaroon ka na ng talino this time to really see kung ano yung mga dapat baguhin, kung ano yung dapat iwan, kung ano yung dapat sistema ang kailangan maayos. E ngayon, ina-actionan mo siya. Kaya ngayon parang embrace the change in your life because bunga ito ng discernment mo. Bunga ito ng mga bagay na na-realize mo na okay, this needs to change. Hindi na to dapat nagaganap sa buhay ko. Ito mga taong ito na keep on parang nilalabag yung iyong privacy o lagi silang may sinasabi against you. So parang kailangan mo na silang putulin ang relasyon mo sa kanila. For some, may mga bagay talaga sa ginagawa mo. You're working on a lot of things here na parang may mali sa sistema, may mali sa trabaho mo, may mali sa operation o sa paraan mo sa strategy mo. Ngayon, naisip mo na yung mga tamang paraan para mapolish o yung mga tamang paraan para magawa ng mas maayos o para mas mapulido. Ngayon, para unti-unti nakakaroon ka ng light bulb moment na parang, aha, ito lang pala ang mali. Ito lang pala dapat kong gawin. At yan, kailangan to ng paninindigan, Leo, ha? Especially kung may mga mali sa relasyon, mali sa buhay na malaki ang epekto sa'yo for the next 10 years, kailangan mo na siya actionan now para hindi pa siya lumaki, hindi lumala, at hindi maging ganong kagrabe yung epekto sa'yo kung actionan mo siya for the next 5 years halimbawa. So, kailangan now, ngayon na. The action needs to be done now, okay? So that the transformation will happen para mapahalagahan mo yung dapat pahalagahan, maipanganak na yung dapat maipanganak, magawa na yung dapat magawa, okay? The King of Swords being clarified by the Six of Pentacles. Dalawang beses lumabas ang Six of Pentacles here, telling you reflection is in your hands. Leo, kailangan mo daw mag-reflect. May mga bagay ka talagang kailangan asikasuhin, buhisiin, gawin para masigurong tama ang lahat. Hindi pwedeng gawa ka lang ng gawa o ito lang naisip mo today, ito agad gagawin mo without reflection. Parang ito ba yung ginawa ko before? Nakakatulong ba sa akin to now? Kasi kung hindi, bitawan ko yan. Ito mga relasyon ko na, ito mga kaibigan ko na to, your relationships, your friendships, teka parang sa kanila pala nanggagaling yung chismis o yung gulo lagi sa buhay ko o drama. Parang this time mag-reflect ka, ay hindi pala sila friend ko, hindi ko pala sila dapat laging kitain anytime because dyan nanggagaling lagi ang chismis. Let go ko na pala yan, hindi ko na pala sila dapat laging i-entertain. So now, you're thinking na parang lahat ng gagawin mo ngayon dapat may balik, dapat may reciprocation, give and take. You want equal effort from both parties. Na parang ayaw mo na ikaw lang lahat. Ngayon matalino ka na. Ito yung end ko, ito yung kaya kong i-offer. Kayo, ano yung next end ninyo? You want naging sigurista ka na this time, no? Medyo sigurista ka na hindi ka na basta-basta maglalabas o magbibigay o maglalaan without the acknowledgement or without the assurance na babalik din sa akin yung mga bagay na nilaan ko, ganyan. So give and take is something that very, very valuable para sa'yo this time, okay? In the area of your near future, you have the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles is trying to tell you na kung may mga bagay ka in the near future, Leo, may mga bagay in the near future na hindi ka na masaya, parang, teka, ginawa ko na lahat, binigay ko na lahat ng effort ko, time ko sa bagay na ito, bakit wala pa rin? Iniisip mo, bakit hindi ko pa rin makuha yung resulta, bakit nade-delay pa rin, nilaan ko naman na lahat, ginawa ko na yung dapat gawin, naging masigasig naman ako, naging disiplinado naman ako para dito, bakit wala pa rin? So, in the near future, there will be a time where kukwestiyonin mo yung mga bagay-bagay because you don't know where you stand sa pangarap na yan, sa relasyon na yan, sa goal na yan, sa endeavor na yan. And you're thinking, ano pa ba ang dapat kong ilaan? You're thinking so hard. Kina-question mo na rin yung sarili mo, your decisions, your skills, yung mga naging hakbang mo. Kina-question mo bakit hindi tumutugma? Bakit hindi swak? Bakit yung effort ko hindi nag-reflect doon sa outcome? So ngayon, parang you're just waiting. And there will be a time in you telling yourself, aalis na ba ako dito? Or mag-i-stay pa ako? Kaya ko pa bang ayusin to? Kaya ko pa bang i-maneuver to, i-transform ito into something na kapaki-pakinabang in my life because you're waiting so much on this. Matagal ka maghihintay dito sa bagay na ito. And ngayon parang sinasabi ni Spirit Guides, handa ka ba maghintay at sayangin ang oras mo kakahintay o magsisimula ka na ng bago? Pwede to sa relasyon, pwede rin to sa trabaho mo na parang, am I doing or giving my all without something in return? Nagasayang ba ako ng oras dito? Nagasayang ba ako ng love, effort, and time? Kung oo, go, so good ka na sa something new because sayang yung potential mo. But if you really feel na meron pa mapipiga dito, your spirit guides are giving you the freedom na mag-stay o umalis. Sa'yo doon yung kalakasan this time, okay? The Seven of Pentacles being clarified by the Lover's card. Yes, it's all about your choices. Malagaya ka pa ba dyan? Lover's card's not just about love or pag-ibig. Tukol din to sa mga bagay na pinipili mo, mga bagay na importante sa'yo, mga napagdesisyonan mo in the past na, okay, ito ang gusto ko, paninindigan ko to. Sabi ni Spirit Guides, masaya ka pa ba dyan? Ito ba talaga ang gusto mo? Are you still willing to wait for the good outcome? Kung yes, go, panindigan mo. Because Lover's card is all about paninindigan. And I'm seeing you doing that. Parang ayaw mo agad sumugal sa ibang bagay because diyan ka na nasanay, yan na yung parang feeling mo industry talaga ng gusto mo, then go. Kung talagang yan ang gusto mo, hihintayin mo yung outcome na matagal dumating, go, stay. Panindigan mo. But for others, nakita ko dito na hanapin mo daw talaga yung para sa'yo. Yung tawag ang damdamin mo, kung saan ka magaling, kung saan ka mahusay. And nakita ko naman kung magaling ka talaga at kung talagang super hardworking ka and professional ka, kahit saan ka makapunta, people will love you, people will appreciate you, and talagang mag-stay ka at mag-enjoy ka sa trabahong yon if you're that skilled enough. At kung talagang magaling ka sa trabahong yan, kahit saan ka pulutin, kahit saan ka ilagay, magiging magaling ka. So sabi ni Spirit Guides, kung this endeavor is not satisfying you anymore, kung hindi ka na kontento dito at parang you're just wasting your time and umaasa ka sa wala, go find something that truly makes you happy, okay? Unahin ang pag-ibig, unahin ng contentment, kaligayahan mo. Choose what makes you happy. Choose where you bloom. Choose where you go, may growth, okay? Congratulations, Leo. In the area of your challenge this week, you have the Strength card. Challenge sa'yo ngayong linggong ito, kapitan yung pagbabago, no? Meron kang pagbabago talaga, meron kang dadaanan na changes, may dadaanan ka ng mga adjustment kasi nga you're figuring out kung ano yung para sa'yo, kung ano yung mas magpapagaan, mag-leveling up ng skills mo, ng life mo. So ngayon, parang ang kailangan sa'yo, tiyaga, pasensya, pangunawa, and also strength and resilience sa kakayanin mo itong pagtulay mo sa mga bagong landas, okay? Have some gentle approach. Huwag mo masyadong bugbugin ang sarili mo o bigyan added pressure ang sarili mo to accomplish something. Take one step at a time, one day at a time. Hindi pwedeng instant na sa dulo ka na o instant na sa'yo na yung resulta. It takes a long battle then to achieve something. So make sure na bigyan mo rin ang sarili mo some grace and some happiness also. Be kind to yourself na yung ginagawa mo, okay lang yan kahit wala pang development today, wala pang development bukas. As long as you're doing the work, as long as you're completely showing up, continuously giving your all, okay lang yan. Kahit wala pa masyadong pag-andar o wala masyadong pag-abante. Hanggat ginagawa mo yung mga kaya mo pa ulit-ulit, consistent work, it will be yours, okay? The Strength cards being clarified by The Eight of Pentacles. Dalawang beses lumabas ang Eight of Pentacles. Eight is abundance. So make sure na this time around, kung gusto sa kuha ng isang bagay, continue cultivating your skills. Sa mga pagsubok na ito, dito mo daw makikilala ang sarili mo. Makikilala ang skills mo, makikilala yung mga tao sa paligid mo, and most importantly, dito mo mas makikilala talaga yung kakayanan mo. Ano pa pala yung additional gift and strength and power mo na hindi mo nakukuha before o hindi mo nakikita before. Ngayon, sa katatagan mo na ito, dito mo mas mapapamalas yung full potential mo at mas malalaman mo pa yung mga additional talent and skills mo na lalabas. So, wag mo daw sukuan yung mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo, especially if you're working on something. Just be kind to yourself. Dahan-dahan lang, relax ka lang, and you will get it, okay? Your hard work will pay off, pero relax ka lang, dahan-dahan lang. In the area of your fortune, you have the Judgment card here. Judgment, yes, you'll be awakened for something. Magigising ka sa isang bagay this week, probably about your love life or about your work, sa yung performance, sa yung effort. Parang, this time around, na-realize mo, may dapat palang baguhin, may dapat palang i-enhance, may dapat palang payabungin, and meron ka talagang dapat bitawan. Ngayon, nakita ko na parang meron kang isinuko na kay God. In the area of fortune, ramdam ko that your prayers are being answered. Meron ka lang dinasal, hiningian ng sign. The sign will come to you this week. Probably it will come to you by your dreams, in your daydream, o kaya pag nakatingin ka sa number sign, angel sign, o kaya pag nakabasa ka ng quote and then bigla ka naapektuhan, that is your spirit guides and your angel guides talking to you. So may mga sign kang hiniling, and this week will come those signs, okay? So kapag daw nagising ka na sa isang katotohanan, actionan mo, Leo, because that action will lead you to a better reroute, a redirection sa landas sa talagang gustong ipatahak sa iyo ni God. So make sure kapag nalaman mo ang truth about something this week, okay? Actionan mo, face it, don't ignore it, and that will lead you to a better na ruta, okay? The Judgment card's being clarified by the Six of Swords. Yes, patungo talaga sa better ruta because Six of Swords is like a boat leading you to a calmer water. Talagang papunta ka sa tahimik na buhay, tahimik na landas, tamang landas, landas na para talaga sa'yo, destined na path. So, pag talaga nagising ka na sa katotohanan, doon ka na patungo. Huwag mong i-ignore to. Halimbawa, toxic pala yung friendship nyo na, yung best friend mo, akala mo best friend yan, pero siya pala nag-chismis sa'yo sa co-worker mo o sa boss mo. So, make sure na magising ka na sa katotohanan na yan, iwan na yan, putulin ang relasyon para lumagay ka sa katahimikan. Okay, example lang yun ha. Hindi ko sinasabing yung best friend mo lahat ay ganyan. So, that is the example that I'm trying to say para may analogy ka, may example ka na pag nagising ka talaga sa truth na hindi mo na kayang i-ignore, harapin mo siya, and that will lead you to a better side of your life. A redirection ito patungo sa better part of your journey. Okay? In the area of your divine advice, ito man ang payo sa iyo ng yung spirit guides this week, Leo, is the World card. The world is yours. Huwag ka matakot sumugal. Huwag ka matakot mag-transform. Huwag ka matakot humakbang sa something na bago. Something new in your life, okay? Eight of Pentacles is telling you here na may skills ka eh. Meron kang enough experiences, marami ka ng pinagdaanan at polished na somehow yung talent, yung isip, yung decision making. So ngayon, wag mo daw katakutan na isara ang past, wag mo daw katakutan na isara ang chapter ng mga bagay na tapos na. Learn to always start anew. Wag ka matakot sa new opportunity, new possibility to start over. Kahit nag-back to zero ka. Kung kinakailangan, away from people, away from situation, talagang wala ka nang mapapala doon. Ito yung pagkakataon sa yun, sabi ni Spirit Guides, harapin mo yung bagong simula. The world is yours. Don't be afraid to something na beautiful. For some, nakita ko na lilipat ka ng lugar, lilipat ka ng bahay, lilipat ka ng bansa because andun ang swerte, andun ang kapalaran, nandun daw ang success mo, okay? The world card's being clarified by the Page of Wands. Yes, don't be afraid because Page of Wands is a card of excitement, a card of enthusiasm, pagyakap sa mga bagong bagay. So kung meron mga darating sa life mo na opportunity o talagang pag-close from the past and ngayon haharap ka sa bago, huwag ka daw matakot with the Page of Wands. Huwag ka daw magkaroon ng inhibitions. Don't be fearful. Just embrace it with open arms. You may learn as you go. Pero ito daw talaga magbibigay sa'yo ng bagong era of your life. Bagong pagkakaabalahan, bagong pagkakakitaan, magiging busy ka dito, yayakapin mo siya ng buo, aaralin mo siya with the Page of Wands, doon ka magugugol ng mas malaking pang effort and time. Hardworking ka talaga this time. And dito, mas malilinang mo yung skills mo. Mas, hearing, swak to sa'yo. Itong bagong trabaho na to, itong bagong opportunity na to, na papasukin mo, magiging masaya ka daw dyan. At everything is falling into place. Okay? In the area for outcome, pag-usapan natin later ano kaya yan. But first, magkaroon muna tayo ng additional messages from the Divine. Ano yung karagdagan nilang payo para sa'yo na makakatulong sa'yo this June 16 to 22. Unang-una, we have arrow. You are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. Like I said, nasa tamang landas ka, nasa tamang direction ka, kaya wag nang matakot humakbang. Okay, another message, you have fire, strong emotion, passionate love or hate. Like I've said, may passion talaga dito. So, make sure tong passion mo ay mag-translate sa mga bagay na kailangan ng simulan, kailangan mag-transform, kailangan baguhin, kailangan gawin. So that passion, that fire within you, use that in your advantage. Okay? Another message, parrot, someone will gossip about all of your secret. Like I've said, meron kang kaibigan o kakilala na mag-gossip daw sa'yo, mag-chismis. Kaya ingat-ingat, okay? Another message of February, importante po ba sa inyo ang buwan ng Pebrero or a significant month ito for you? There's a confirmation that this beautiful blessing will come to you on February, okay? Another message, you have dagger, fear, worries, tense situation. May mga worries ka daw, yung mga alalahanin ka. Like I've said, ipagpasa Diyos mo na yan because nakikita ko na dadaling ka naman ni God on the right direction. Okay? Another message for you from your spirit guides. First, you have bear, danger especially in money matters. So ngayon, pagka bigyan mo doon ng atensyon ng iyong kaperahan. Okay? Take caution. Be cautious this time, especially in your money matters. Another message of inkpot, problems to be resolved. Yung mga problema ka daw dapat asikasuhin talaga. Like I've said, you need to put all of your hands and feet sa putik. Kailangan talaga you're working on it because may kailangan ka daw talagang dapat ma-resolve. Okay? Another message, you have a lion, time to act. Ito daw panahon para umaksyon ka. 2 beses lumabas ang lion. Be brave daw and do what you must. Okay? Huwag mo na ipagpaliban. Another message, you have grapes, time to go out and have fun. O, kailangan mo daw din mag-relax. Leo, hindi pwedeng, ikaw pala to, lion and Leo. Dapat talaga maging matatag ka this time. Maging matapang ka this time. Another message, you have a marriage o meron daw mga bagay about your marriage or some of you are entering a marriage. Pwede itong nuptials of negosyo, marrying or wedding of 2 jobs or 2 businesses o talagang literal na kasal for you and other people or someone in your life ang ikakasal this time. So parang kailangan talagang ayusin, buhisiin and give a lot of effort and time para dyan. Okay? So bigyan kita, Leo, ng additional message, additional gabay para sa iyo this week na makakatulong sa iyo in your whole June 16 to 22. Unang-una, you have love. Do everything with love daw. Especially manguna ito, love for yourself with the Empress, okay? If you have enough love for yourself, kaya mo yang mag-give sa ibang tao. Another message, you have regret. Forget na daw yung mga bagay na dapat mo mga bagay na regrets mo in the past. Hindi daw makakatulong yan kung bit mo pa siya this time. Learn to forgive yourself, especially sa mga bagay na pinanghinayangan mo pa o pinagkisisihan mo. Another message of imagination, have a clear imagination daw in everything you're trying to do. Kung ito lang ang solusyon mo at hindi umaandar, magkaroon ka ng malawak na imagination and creativity para makahanap ka pa ng option A, option B, option C para ma-solve yung problem mo. So, 3 things, love, regret, and imagination for this week. So, ano kayang outcome mo, Leo, for the week? But first, stay tuned kasi meron tayong 1 question bonus later. So, ihanda mo na yung question mo maya-maya lamang. So, what is your outcome for the week? 1, 2, 3. You have, yes, the 5 of Cups. Regrets talaga to. All about the things na natapon na. Things na mga bagay na hindi na mahalaga o kaya mga bagay na akala mo importante pa sa'yo. Pero you learned in the outcome, you learned na kailangan mo ng iwan, kailangan mo ng let go, kailangan mo ng pabayaan because it's not working anymore. Tingnan mo si 8 of Pentacles. Inaaral niya yung mga bagay, pinagkatrabahuhan niya yung mga bagay na nag-work pa. Yung may halaga pa. Yung kaya pa niya i-polish, kaya pa niya i-upgrade, kaya pa niya pahalagahan. Pero dito, with the 5 of Cups, may mga bagay kang kailangan ng iwan, bagay na kailangan pabayaan, i-let go because you need to tell yourself and parang you have to reconcile with the fact na mga bagay na to ay hindi na talaga for you. This is a thing from the past. Past na to and you can't make anything about it. Okay? So ngayon, yakapin mo daw yung mga bago. Turn na to, malikod ka na for the future sa dako paraon. Harapin mo yung ngayon and bukas. If you're regretting about a love, someone will come to you in the near future. If you're regretting about a job, a bigger, better job will come to you. So, wag mo nang panghinayangan yung mga nawala. This is God redirection talaga. Like I've said, patungo ka na sa mga calmer water. So, kung meron kang magigising ka sa mga dapat magising this time, para patungo ka na sa redirection of your life. A greater path, bigger path for you. Okay? 5 of Cups being clarified by The Knight of Cups, yes, there will be an offer for you. Sa outcome mo, offer of love or offer of a new job, new opportunity na darating sa'yo na magsasabi sa sarili mo na, okay, dapat ko na nga i-let go ito because may darating ng bago, may darating ng better, greater, bigger for you na higit pa dun sa mga bagay na iniwanan mo at pinagsisihan mo at talagang inaasam-asam mo pa rin hanggang ngayon. Stop na from replaying things na tapos na. Ngayon, harapin mo yung bagong offer of love, chance, offer din of trabaho, opportunity talaga magbibigay sa'yo na better life moving forward. Okay, Leo, that is your June 16 to 22 reading. Sa po kayo nakaresonate, sa po kayo nakarelate, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Pero bago tayo matapos, let's have your one question bonus. So, may tanong ka ba sa akin o sa iyong spirit guides? Now is the right time for you to meditate, think hard, remove other things in your mind. Ang isipin mo lang yung question mo para pahalagahan niya ng spirit guides mo. So, spirit guides, tell me kung anong sagot sa question ni Leo at this time. Ano ang sagot sa kanyang mga katanungan? Especially that one big question na gusto niya masagot. Okay, we have 1 card, 2 card. Hanap din tayo ng oracle card for you. Base sa iyong spirit guides, base sa iyong angel guides rather, na sagot para sa kanya. 1 and 2. Okay? So, anong question mo? Leo, buksan natin. You have the 8 of Swords. Wow, meron ng pag-abante, meron ng paggalaw daw sa bagay na iniisip mo. And the 3 of Pentacles reverse. Parehong reverse. Sinasabi dito na parang you need to think first for yourself. Parang dito kasi dati, lagi ka mong binibigay ang lahat for other people. Na parang sila, sige, kayo na, nagpapaubaya ka before. Kaya parang ngayon, parang this time hindi na ako papakadena sa kanila. Kaya ko nang gawin things on my own, decision on your own. Kung meron ka mang question about decision making o question about kaya ko ba to? Yes, kaya mo. Hindi ka na nakatali sa past, hindi ka na nakatali sa kanila. Kaya mo nang humakbang on your own. Especially sabi ng iyong angel guides, compromise kung meron mga bagay na dapat gawin and don't stop. See? Don't stop daw. Parang feeling ko, don't compromise na. Ito yung sabi ng spirit guides mo, angel guides mo. Dati talaga, like I've said, parang umaayon ka lang sa gusto nila, napipilitan kang gawin ng isang bagay because of them, because of him, because of other people. Parang sige na nga, for your happiness, for all of you, gawin ko na lang. Ngayon, hindi na hindi ka na nakatali. Kaya mo nang gawin yung gusto mo. Do not stop. Do not compromise. Ngayon, pagkakataon na ilaban yung gusto mo, do not stop at nothing. Fight for what you want. Hindi ka na nakakadena. Wala na pumipigil sa'yo ni achieve ang gusto mo. These people are just there watching you, looking at you to fail or to win, pero hindi talaga sila support group mo eh. These people, hindi mo na kailangang umahas sa kanila. Maging independent ka na and do it on your own. Do something that makes you feel free, that makes you feel happy. Don't compromise na. Do it. Don't stop daw. Don't let them stop you from doing what you want. Okay? Leo, that is your one question answer this time. Hopefully, nasagot ko yung tanong mo. Hopefully, nakatulong ito sa problema mo this time. Okay, Leo? Your decision making is yours. Kaya mo na mag-isip on your own. Okay? That is your June 16 to 22 reading, Leo. Sa po kayo nakaresonate, sa po kayo nakarelate, comment down below na be reading yung messages. Thank you again for watching hanggang dulo. This has been James for James Arrow PH. God bless everybody.